Hello everybody, my name is Andrew and today I am over 400% up in the green for the entire account. Thank you, thank you. Oh, I love you too. Dankeschön. Спасибо. Dziękuję. Grazie. Merci. In today's video, I would like to talk about why I am so excited about investing, how by not investing you are losing money, and at the end we will have a little guessing game where you can win some cool merch. So stay tuned. Let's start with addressing the mammoth in the room. This is indeed one of my investing accounts. I have a couple of them and as of today they are all in the green, but this one is definitely the greenest. As you can see, I opened it in the beginning of 2020. So far I have deposited $870 and without doing anything besides of course the initial research and decision making, I have earned about $3,500. Am I bragging? Maybe. Here is the truth. I think that the vast majority of people who had the balls to keep buying during the market lockdown now feel like Warren Buffett. Yum. Looking back, it is easy to say, well, you were just lucky to grab those shares at a discount. Which is true, but also please take into consideration what it takes to go against the grain and pour your limited savings into the market when everyone is cashing out in complete panic. When you don't know if you don't lose your job tomorrow, or even worse, run out of toilet paper. As they say, the higher the risks, the sweeter the rewards. As a long-term investor, I was sure there was a great opportunity, and I was more stressed out about finding extra cash to invest, which is another lesson I have learned this year. So, when the next crash inevitably comes,
this is it. Don't get scared now.
Watching your investments grow higher and higher feels absolutely amazing. And nothing motivates you more to save more and to buy more and more shares than seeing the fruits of your sacrifices. Which leads to something I would also want to mention here, and that is the psychology of investing. I'm not talking about Wall Street, of course. I'm talking about you, your Nana, and I. The health of the market, the moment you finally decide to join it, will have a significant impact on your investing journey. Whether you jump into a period of stagnation when charts stay pretty much flat and nothing is going on, or maybe you buy into companies and it's like one of those times when you stop at the red lights in the middle of the night and you wait, and is this broken? Or perhaps you start investing in the beginning of a bull run and whatever you buy, you are in a constant state of euphoria because everything grows. I opened my accounts before the Roni Rona. You're in Roni Rona. What's up, Jeremy? So I have already been through a spectrum of emotions, but I consciously decided to keep my cool, think for myself, and here I am, making a video with some pretty impressive gains next to my face. Obviously, some would say, that's how much I spend on cupcakes every month, while others need less to avoid eviction. We all have different circumstances. That's why I have always had mixed feelings about following advice coming from big investors and financial channels on YouTube, because sometimes it's just not that easy to relate to a 20-year-old without kids, without a wife, who is living with his roommates and saving 90% of his income. Coming back to these digits right here, as I have already said, I really believe that anyone who had been consistent throughout the crisis came out of it victoriously. And of course, if you take into account all of my investments, the rate of return will be completely different. This is not the point. What matters and why I am so excited about investing is the options you have and the choices you make. These are my returns. This is what I could have expected from a path of least resistance in the stock market, which is an average of S&P 500. And this is what I could have expected from a path that the vast majority of people choose, which is a savings account. You see, your money actually making pretty good money. Is that you are not invited to a party you are paying for. I guess this is the perfect moment to say, I don't have any courses or ebooks to sell. I do have some referral links, but if you know that your cousin is also into investing, go ask him for a referral link. more money stays within the family. I always respect that. All I really want from you is to get just at least a teeny tiny bit curious as to what all that fuss with personal finance and investing is all about. This is number one. Number two, subscribe, duh. And number three, I do want you to start thinking of those missed opportunities as actual money that you are losing. Trust me, it will hurt. But you will also be surprised. Why the hell no one taught you this in school? Anyways, the three of you who have skipped this video to the end are probably like, okay, yeah, stocks, schmucks, what were you saying about those prices? Guys, I am a man of my word. So let the games begin! I just thought, why not have some fun? So the first person to guess the name of the company whose stock has skyrocketed and had the biggest impact on the earnings in this little Robinhood account of mine will win a t-shirt from my Rock Icons art series. Yes, besides being a full-time brand strategist, I am also an artist. Yeah, who would have thought that I might be such an iceberg? Wait, there's more. The first person to guess which position in this portfolio is in the red and is holding this account back will win a Rock Icons poster of your choice. This one though is going to be pretty tricky because it's a weird stock to be down on right now. I've said enough. Here are the rules. Happy guessing and clickbait you next time.